Okay, people, this is a 18-month update. This is the home that I did a bunch of sheetrock work on and some other stuff 18 months ago. If you remember right, I'll try to put the pictures in here. These were all cracked really bad. This home has foundation issues, by the way. There was cracks every place. There was a corner. And he just cleaned this up. Seemed like there was a big hole or something through there. But you can see my repair has held up. Okay, this is one I did not fix. This is one I did. I didn't sand it down, grind it down. Painter did that. I didn't. This, I didn't have pictures of. This is where the ceiling, because there's a crack in the slab on the other side of that wall. This is where the ceiling was like 3 to 4 inches hanging down, and he wanted to know if I could fix it. Ain't touched it in 18 months. There was huge cracks here under. Okay, and the reason I'm showing y'all this, okay, now this one did come. I don't know if this one was here or not. I know there was one here. I don't remember this, and this one may have been there. I don't know. But judging by the cracks on the brick on the outside, this thing's moved quite a bit, and we've had a lot of rain lately. The last half of the year, we've had a lot of rain. But the reason I'm showing you this, I think there's a little bitty crack starting right here. Yeah, I think so. Now this one, I believe, was down this way last time. Yeah. Reason I'm showing you all this is because there's a huge debate, or there's always been a big debate about whether to use tape or mesh. The crack's still fixed. These cracks here. I'm going to try to find those pictures of when I did this so you can see. Anyway, wow. So anyway, there's a debate about tape versus fiberglass mesh. Which was best? Well, if you want to fix it and fix it where it's going to be durable and last, you use tape. You just, this tape is stronger, and this is why I use tape. This is where there's a huge crack in the slab, like running from here over this way, and this wall here had a crack in it like that. You can see, got some scuff marks. That crack, that sheetrock repair is still held. Same way that corner. Corner had one. Now that one's trying to crack again, but the other one, the one I repaired last year, come up this way. So you can see the sheetrock's wanting to crack someplace else instead of where I repaired it. But if you want your sheetrock repairs to last, use tape.